Hey everybody, and welcome to another Friday with Friends. Tonight I'm going to be painting some more coasters, and I'm trying a new color palette. I've got TLP Gilded and Golden Ultramarine Violet. And I'm trying two different layerings. I'm putting down the purple, gold, then the cell activator, and I'm also putting down purple, gold, purple in the cell activator just to see how that different layering looks and which one I like best. So I'm kind of testing this out, and I'm kind of leaning towards the purple, gold, purple. So I think there's a little too much gold when I don't put the purple on top, but you guys let me know what you think about them in the comments when you check these out. And coming up after me is going to be Mary from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, and after Mary will be Billy from BCC Art Studios. Make sure you check out those videos. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that stuff really does help us out. And I'm going to put on some music and let you guys watch this, and I will be back with you near the end. Enjoy it.
Barely 7 weeks, but the world's longest tease. You said you've never felt this way before. My days are black and white. Now when I'm alone at night, all I want is your name on my door. Don't back down. You know what we have found. you're dressed in velvet. I tried to speak, but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground. Medic went down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic went down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic went down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh, medic went down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. I am drifting away. You're still with me all the time. Decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold. Behind closed eyes, where the shadows play, there's no looking the other way. Behind closed eyes. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder, louder, let go. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold. Behind closed eyes, where the shadows play, there's no looking the other way. Just let the music play. Oh, let it play. Behind closed eyes, the memories unfold, hidden secrets, and shimmering gold. Behind closed eyes, where the shadows play, there's no looking the other way. Just let the music play. Behind closed eyes, behind closed eyes, behind closed eyes, where the shadows play, there's no looking the inside your chest, calls on you to cry. You decided it was time.
Alright, I'll take you guys in for a close-up. These turned out pretty cool. I like the gold and the ultramarine violet combination. That TLP Gilded looks really good in there. Now this one, I think the gold's a little overpowering when I didn't put the ultramarine violet on top. Still turned out pretty cool. I like this one. But I think I'm leaning towards the layering it with the purple on top, or the ultramarine violet. And this one's pretty cool. I did get down, I've got too much pillow paint showing. I may go back and just go over that with a thin ultramarine wash and just add a little color to that. But I can touch them up before I put the resin on. This one I don't like at all. It didn't turn out too good. I'm probably going to peel the paint off of this one and maybe use parts of it for some jewelry skins or something. But yeah, I don't like that one at all. But overall, I think my little experiment turned out pretty good. But I do like the purple on top. But you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. And there is a playlist in the description box, Mary and Billy's videos, so make sure and check those out. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.